Hi traders, this is a lesson about trading points, not percentages, or trading quantities, not sums of money. And there's a good example here. If you watch TKMR, it's a $20 stock. Now watch this breakout, over $21 here. It moved almost 50 cents here. So the thing is, this is a $20 stock which moved 50 cents. If I would have bought, for example, 1,000 shares as a breakout of $21 here, then I would make up to $500. Now usually a good breakout would last anywhere between 20 to 30 cents. In this case it moved up 50 cents. So as traders we don't really care about the percentage move. We care more about how it moves in points. So if I would buy, for example, 1,000 shares at the breakout, I would be up anywhere between $300 to $500 on this trade. Now the interesting part is that this is a $20 stock. And if you take a look at different stocks, like for example a $2 stock, you will find something amazing. Let's take a look at that. Let's look at Nete, which approximately at the same time broke over $2. So we have a nice breakout, actually over 205 here, and we moved out 20 something cents. Now this is a $2 stock. Now it also had a very nice breakout, which is a 20 something cent breakout, and if you bought 1,000 shares, you would be up approximately $200 on this trade, which is a very nice breakout. So the question really is, do we care about the percents? Because 20 cents in a $2 stock, that's actually 10%. Now, if we were watching the $20 stock, that was just 2 point something percent. The fact is, and here we go again, taking a look at TKMR. Now, a 20 or a 50 cent move here is just a move of 2%, while again, if we take a look at Nete, that is a breakout of 10%. So we don't really care about counting percents. We only care about the quantity. So we're trading the same amount of shares every time that we're taking. Well, it's not always the same, but it's approximately the same. So in this $21 stock, I would buy 1,000 shares, use $21,000 buying power, and I would go long, trying to make anywhere between $200 to $500 in this case. In a $2 stock, I would actually do the same. I would buy 1,000 shares and try to make anywhere between 200 to maybe a little bit more than that. But the fact is, I don't care that the $2 stock moved up 10% and the $20 stock moved up just 2%, because for me as a trader, what counts really is how many cents it moved up. Now think about this. Let's watch Nete again. When a trader moves into a trade like this, he would consider buying it at, let's assume, 205. So he thinks about, maybe I'll buy it at 205, and he clicks the button somewhere over 205 because he looks at the stocks and he say, okay, I'll buy it 205, but you know what, I missed it, maybe I'll buy it 1 cent, 2 cents, and then he wants a good proof that it will really move higher, and maybe he moves in at 207, 208, 209. So he's really thinking about, I will buy right over 205, and then he clicks the button really a few cents higher, because the increments is cents. He can't buy it in increments which are less than just 1 cent. So a move of 2 cents in a $2 stock is 1%. Now in a $20 stock, a move of 1% is much less than that, of course. So the thing is, we are buying and selling according to cents. We are not buying and selling according to percents. We will chase at $2 stocks 2-3 cents up exactly the same way as we will chase a $21 stock. We will chase it a few cents up. So if we take a look at TKMR again, just imagine you want to buy it at $21, you would probably chase it 2-3 cents up. So the only difference between these stocks really is the fact that this is a $20 stock and the other is a $2 stock, but they move rather the same way. This is one of the important things that you need to know about day trading. You trade in quantities, you don't trade in sums of money. A $2 stock could move exactly the same way as a $20 stock, which means it can also be as dangerous. So if you try to buy 10 times the number of shares in a $2 stock, you could actually end up losing a lot of money because it may also move in the wrong direction. So if you try to buy a $2 stock with 10,000 shares just because you have the buying power, get ready for big winners but also huge losers sometimes, because they can easily go against you at the same way. Okay guys, I'm done here for the day. I'm still holding DWA 100 shares, Kellogg's 100 shares, and WFM 200 shares. Had a nice day, up for the little bit more than $1,000. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.